So, gonna do a little kind of vlog unboxing, I don't know, vid today. So, got a little package in. It's a restock, but so it is a random restock that Adidas was doing. Adidas is doing, like, they've been doing a bunch of what seems like restocks and like exclusive access type stuff through their app, and they're sending out like a notification that says you have access to this for 20 minutes, 30 minutes. I think it's 30 minutes. But these were on there with a bunch of other ones as well, but these are the only ones that I didn't have yet, and then I kind of wanted. It's not, I don't know, I'm not told on the colorway, but here you go. So, Yeezy 500. Let me get it out. Okay. Let's get that out of the way. Cool. Yeezy 500. And it says Soft Vision is the colorway. I'm not too sold on it. It's I don't know, man. I was hesitant. I didn't buy it the first time because of that. I like the 500s. 500s are awesome, super comfortable, durable shoe. Whoa. I love the gum bottom, but I mean, come on. Wow. Let's see the other one here. Resale on these was actually pretty high for a little bit. I mean, 500s were never really too high. As far as resale value goes, these were sitting at around like little Yeezy box farts. These were sitting for a while at about like 300, I think, or so, or 280, 290. Now they're down to like 250, at least for my size 11. It's a cool colorway. It's just it's too much for me. I love the Adiprene. These are super comfortable. I think my favorite ones are the blush ones, and I beat the hell out of these, and you can't even, I mean, really tell. I mean, I wore these literally traveling, walking everywhere through Portland, and it was raining, dirty. I mean, these held up pretty well. This like nubuck upper is super comfortable. But yeah, I don't know how I feel about these yet. It's like, what the hell do you wear these with? These are cool if I, got a kid's pair for the little one. She would love these. But I don't know, man. I'll probably sell them. I just don't, I had the utility black ones of these, of the 500s, and I got rid of those. Those are actually ones that are selling for quite a bit more than the rest of the colorways, even compared to the, I mean, these colors are so close together, but frozen yellow, not frozen yellow, but I forget what this one's called, but it's so close to the blush colorway, you can't even really, I mean, look at that. Oh, stupid. This one's a very obvious difference, but these two are super close. I guess you can tell the difference here, but in person, it's not that close. I should have kept the black ones. I'm actually pretty disappointed that I sold those. Those were solid and perfect for the winter time. But yeah, these are still my favorite. This is the blush, the first colorway of the 500s. The highs are coming out here soon. I like the overall shoe. I like the look of it. I like the high. I like the 500. I like Adiprene. I'm all for it. I just don't like the colorways. The navy is just not for me. I don't wear navy shoes. And the new one is navy and black. Even worse. That's just not. I wish it was a different. If they came out in blush and it was a high, like this shoe in the 500 high, sold. Yeah, that's all me. I don't know. I'm not feeling the 500 high colorways they're coming out with. And This being the last 500 low, it's just not for me either. So yeah, so if you guys want them, follow me on Instagram, Carlos and Kicks. Of course, I'll link it down below. But yeah, I'm gonna do probably some of those short videos like this of just quick unboxing, how I feel about them, and you know, if I keep them, I'll throw some on-feet footage on for other shoes in the future. I have some dunks that I picked up that I kind of want to go over with you guys. Also, some of them are older dunks. A pair that just released. A pair that I found dead stock in a local skate shop that came out in 2015, I think. Not one of the more popular colorways, but I like them. So I'm gonna probably talk about those and other vids coming up, and just do some quick reviews on them and backstory. Dunks are cool because they all have, to me, you know, they usually have like some sort of backstory, some sort of, you know, history to why they were themed that way or why that colorway came out that way. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe, share it. You know, I'm trying to get this little YouTube channel up and running here. Clearly working on things and trying to get better with every video. So hopefully I am. But yeah, let me know how you guys feel, and on to the next one. Peace.